Hello everybody. A target line or an average line is a important visual while comparing the actual data with regards to goals and target. In Microsoft Excel, it is little bit difficult to add a dynamic target line or average line, especially when you want to add in a bar or column chart. In this video, I'll show you a super easy way how to create a target line or an average line in a bar or a column chart. Let's jump to the PC and see how it can be done. Welcome back. Now I have got one Excel file wherein there is a data regarding sales of various sales manager. I have created a chart, bar chart, wherein data is represented. But the problem with this is that I cannot put a target line. I do not know, target is given 3,500, but I am not able to compare. So what a novice or newbie will do, he will simply insert some line over here and put somewhere 3,500, one line like that, and he may put it and simply increase the weight and he will show in this way. But this is the not right way because it is not dynamic. If I want to change this target, the target line remains at the same place. And one thing, before we start, let us see how we have to transform this data into a proper table. For doing it, what we have to do is press on Ctrl T, it selects the range and click on OK. Now this table is dynamic, or rather this chart is dynamic, it is aligned with this data. If I add more names, I can automatically, it will increase the bars and their names. I'll show you an example like that. I am adding a name, something called Milton, and I am putting some figure like that. So automatically his name has come. So I want to put a target line. I'll remove this target line. What I'll do, I want to put a target line. For that, I'll create one more column for target, and I will create one more column for target. So target is 4,500. So let us see, I'll add equal to 4,000 and press on function F4. I have got an additional bar, but I don't want additional bar. I want a target line. So what I'll do, I'll select one of the bar, right click and click on change data label or series type, wherein I will select here a line diagram. So I have got the line diagram. Now the target is 4,500 and it is dynamic. If I reduce 3,500, the line has gone down. This line I can still do some further improvement. I will select the line and click F1, wherein I can add some arrows. I want to begin arrow type. Begin arrow type, I want to left arrow. Then I will put a thick arrow. Then at the end again, I want to put end arrow here. Then select end arrow type is this one, and I want thick one. So here it is. Further, I can change if required the color of this target line. Change to red. Everything. I think it is visible. Target line is selected and it is there. Now, but I am not yet satisfied. I want to put this target line here also. So what I'll do, right click, add data label, and I have got target line here. I can select and take it to the left side. Increase, make it bold, increase font size, or make it red. Here it is. So 3500 is a target line and it is showing, and it is also a dynamic. If I change it to 4500, the target line will automatically be shifted. I think it is very clear and very easy. Now, suddenly I feel that instead of putting a column chart, I want to make it a row chart. For that, what I have to do, I will select this particular table, or to make it easy, I am inserting one more column here. And I will select this particular thing and I'll copy it, I'll go to paste and link it. So it has created another thing. Now here I can make it vertical or row type. Now it was in column type, I will create a row type. Isn't it simple? Now what I'll do, I want to change this into horizontal. This thing, I will just select Control 1 and here I will change it to horizontal 270. Again, I want to change this names to horizontal. I'll select horizontal 270. Then I will change it to again this one to horizontal 270. I think it's over and you can see it is completed. I hope this is very simple. There are few steps and you have understood, and this will help you to make it an impressive chart and where you can compare the actual performance with respect to the target. Before I close this session, I'll request you to like, share and subscribe. This will help to push this video to maximum audience of YouTube. Thank you.